Hey, what's up, my guys? Been long since I dropped an update. So today, my main update is about a site called ProxyPanel. It's a good proxy site. It has a very fast proxies, both HTTPS and 4G mobile proxy. Let's go through it. So on their dashboard, they say USA 4G mobile proxy. ProxyPanel is the largest 4G mobile proxy provider in the US. They have 150 plus cities with Verizon, AT&T and T-Mobile. These are the best 3 ISP for service. You can access all of their services at $30 per week or $100 per month. But trust me, their services are worth it. They have 4G and 5G proxy services. So they ask, why pay $200 or even $300 when you can get more locations, more carriers, faster speeds for only $30 a week or $100 per month. We accept PayPal. They also accept payment in PayPal, BTC, LTC and USDT, and you can also buy them if you want. So down here they have given all the locations that they provide, the major cities like Los Angeles, New York, Dallas, Brooklyn, Seattle, Portland, Orlando, and also many other cities that they offer in the USA. So you just come here and pick whatever location you want to put. And also here they have their monthly plans, weekly plan and the trial plan. For the monthly plan, 100 is you pay for $100 per month, $100 per month, and under this you get you can pay using PayPal. You can pay using PayPal, BTC, LTC or USDT. And under this plan you get a dedicated access to over 150 locations. You can choose between various ISP they provide, that is Verizon, AT&T and T-Mobile. There is no cap in the bandwidth. It's unlimited, so you have an unlimited data. You can use them as long as you want. The problem with most proxies, best proxies, they sell their bandwidth in form of GBs. They limit you, so when you pass a particular amount of GB, your connection is cut. But these ones, like the ones I've shared before, they have unlimited data, means that they have unlimited bandwidth. So their proxies have authentication. They have a username, and you can have a user password authentication or IP authentication depending with your selection. We shall go to do manually to set up mine. The API is included. You can connect them through the API. The weekly plan, just pay $30 per week and you'll get all the services as a person who has paid the $100 per month. But just that for a week, if you don't have a lot of money, you can pay $30 per week, and then by the end of the week you have another $30 for the next week. This is for people who don't have a lot of money to buy the IP, but they really need to start work, and this can really help you to do a lot of work because the IPs are faster and they have unlimited data. You can do so much while connected to the IP, and they rarely go off. And they are very, very fast. So here is the best part. If you are downloading all the weekly and monthly plan, you can come here and pay for the 1 hour plan, which costs only $1, and you get access to all the features of the ProxyPanel site. So just click here, order now, and in the payment page you can choose that to pay with PayPal, BTC, LTC and USDT as we buy through the other proxy sites. So down here they have frequently asked questions. So many people may ask, how many locations can a person access with one mobile proxy license? And they say that you can access, after you buy a proxy access from them, you can access all the 150 locations plus locations they have, including all their carriers, that is AT&T, T-Mobile and Verizon. Another question, can I connect to all locations at the same time? No. This is impossible, man. You can only access one location at a time. This is normal with all other panels. Can I change IP by URL link? Yes, there is a button to click to get IP change by URL on the dashboard. Yeah, that's a very good feature. Are there options for auto rotation for the mobile proxy? Yes. Another good feature about their proxies, you can turn off and on the rotation of your IP. So depending on the need of your IP, if you need a static IP, you can turn off rotation. You can turn off auto rotation, but you have an option to choose auto rotation of the mobile proxy you want. So in the dashboard you can turn on and off auto rotation. This is a very nice feature. Also iproxy.shop has the same feature. You can turn on and off the auto rotation at any time you want. You can set how frequently you want the proxy to be rotated. So you are in control of your IP. So, and then other person might be wondering, are these residential SOCKS 5 proxies? Residential HTTP. Oh, are these residential SOCKS 5 proxies? Residential HTTP proxies? Yes. They are residential mobile proxies which are the highest trust score possible. You can choose SOCKS 5 or HTTP on the dashboard. IP author. Oh, what they mean here is that whether you buy SOCKS 5 proxies or HTTP proxies, whichever proxies you buy, they are enabled for SOCKS 5 and HTTP proxies, and they are residential proxy with a very high trust score, such that you have very low risk of being banned or being blacklisted on various sites. Basically, they have a very short dashboard, and everything is here. So when you have a time, come to ProxyPanel site. I'll post the link in the description. Go through their plans, the frequently asked questions, and any other thing you have. That's dashboard. Let's jump over to proxy locations first. And proxy locations, this is where they state all their locations all over the world. You see, the location load, everything here. Basically, they're just showing you what they have, what they got. You see, nice. So I want us to connect to one of their proxies and see whether their claim is true, whether it's fast or slow. So we want to see whether their proxies are fast as they claim. So this is my proxies. I had bought some 1 hour trial proxy. So what you do when you come here, and on this page they have an option to set the location, the city you want. You can just click here. Yeah, you can come here and set after clicking the locations, you can come here and set the location you want. So you can choose any location you want. After that, you'll be taken back to my proxy again panel. You can set the IP rotation you want, 15, 10 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour. After that, you can change the IP. If you have not set the rotation, you can manually change your IP here. Yeah, you can just click change and your IP will change in that particular city that you have selected on. Then the only thing I've not seen here, they don't have an option to choose the ISP. I've not seen an option to choose the ISP, but you can change the IP directory here. You can host your IP. I don't know if you twisted mine. And also host. If you're using SOCKS 5, you just pick the port and IP for SOCKS 5. If you want to use the Authy SOCKS 5 authenticator, just click. Then the username, password, the next bidding status active. When your IP is active, it shows. When it's not inactive, when your plan is over, it will be inactive here. So let's take this one and do it and connect manually to our Firefox. You can see from Firefox, you can see I'm not connected to a proxy right now, so I want us to set it up on a switch Omega. So just come here, you paste. I had already done, so I'm just demonstrating my proxy here. Cut. So make sure it's 9093. See, this one has to be the same as this one here. We're using this one, 207 IP start 207, finishes 244, and the port 1993. The same you can see here. So For authentication, you can see the password is, the username is hunter.custom1, the password is this one, and you can see them the same, username, password. After you finish that, just click save changes. You apply changes. This one number 6 here, I put number 6 for user identification. Then you just come here and connect. So assume it has worked. Check here. And voila, we are connected to Verizon wireless. That's whether our location is the same as the one we chose there. Yes, Colorado, Denver, and here it's Olola, Colorado, is the same state. So geotargeting of these IPs are very good, and they are very specific to whatever location you choose. The only option I've not seen is to choose a particular ISP. In all their sites I've not seen, so you can change even location here. Let's try playing around with the location. Let's now change to another location, like I've used Denver. Oh, the location you change them by when you're choosing your IPs here. That's where I can see the ISP are indicated: T-Mobile. So you select ISP with the particular state where it is manually, because I can see them listed here. Various. You see there's one T-Mobile here. There's another Verizon here. Oh, I can see. So you can change the ISP by going to the particular location, IP location sites, and you can locate them here. So which one do you locate? Which one do you connect to? Let's connect to this one, T-Mobile, Dallas, Texas. Connected. So now we are in Dallas. Now Proxy is now here. Should appear Dallas, Texas. So the only option you can choose ISP is where changing the location. The city listed, each city has an ISP next to its name. So that's how you choose an ISP when choosing the IP and the location on ProxyPanel. So let's go to here and see whether the location has changed to whatever we have changed to. Loading. Perfect. You see, now it's connected to T-Mobile, and the IPs are very fast. Very fast. You see, we are well connected. And Texas, Dallas, exactly as the whatever you choose here. Texas, Dallas, T-Mobile, Texas, and from here you can see is Texas, Dallas, T-Mobile, USA. So the geotargeting is very perfect. Now you want to check whether the IP is good enough. We have this site here for checking, ifi.com. It's a very good site for checking whether your IP is strong enough, whether it's exposing you, whether it's leaking. It gives you a detailed overview of your. You see, according to our digital identity, this is how our digital identity looks. It's very trustworthy. The browser is displayed as real, location an ordinary location, user's location, IP address is unique and is not blacklisted, hardware parameters match each other, software testing don't look suspicious. So this is how you check whether the IPs are good. You see, the browser is fine, location Dallas, North America, IP address. See all the details here, hardware, software. So basically ProxyPanel is a very good site, and anyone who wants to another proxy site can go and have a look at them. Thank you for watching. Kindly don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel if you like the content which I produce here. Thank you so much. Looking forward to the next video.